In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your SEO performance on Circle.so. Let's dive right in and explore these important steps designed to boost your online presence effectively. First things first, you need to log into your Circle.so admin account. Your journey to improving SEO begins here, as having admin access allows you to make all necessary changes and optimizations on your site. Once you're logged in, head over to Add Site Title. This title plays a crucial role in how both users and search engines perceive your site, so make sure it reflects the core essence of your content clearly and professionally. Now let's tune into our site settings. Navigate to Settings, then click on SEO, Site Settings. Within this section, you'll add your site title once again, but with an eye on relevant keywords that succinctly express what your community is all about. Next up, move on to the site title field. Enter your name or any specific keywords that best represent your site's focus, and remember to save your changes. Creating a compelling site title is essential, as it often serves as the first introduction to new visitors and impacts search engine rankings. Now let's talk meta descriptions. Click Add Meta Description to provide a brief yet informative summary that encapsulates what users can expect. Include pertinent keywords, ensuring that your content remains engaging and easily searchable. Don't forget to save this as well. Another element to examine is customizing your URL slugs. Good URLs should be tidy, descriptive, and user-friendly. Go to your spaces, select the appropriate space, head to Settings, then URL/slug, and make any necessary edits. Once you're satisfied, remember to save these changes. Optimizing your post titles and headings should be next on your list. Harness keyword-rich titles and employ H1 or H2 headings to enhance SEO readability and structure. Whether you're creating a new post or updating an existing one, these practices will substantially improve your site's accessibility and search performance. For images, use alt text to describe them accurately. Alt text provides context for search engines and improves accessibility for users who rely on screen readers. After inserting an image, add alt text that succinctly describes it and incorporates relevant keywords, then save your post. If you haven't already, enable search engine indexing in the settings. Toggle on Allow search engines to index so that your content is discoverable by search engines, which is paramount for attracting organic traffic.